My dear friends, one of the commandments given to us invites us to obey and respect our father, our mother, our elders. Because there is a deep-rooted value in obeying our elders. It makes our life safe. It makes our future prosperous. It gives us hope as we journey on this earth. Today's beautiful theme invites us to do the will of God by obeying the precepts of the church. And today's first reading inspires us what to avoid and what to hold on to. It reminds us that if we want to follow the precepts of God, if we want to do the will of God in our day-to-day life, we need to say no to the inordinate worldly desires like lust, pride, and so on, that take us away from the path that God has chosen for each one of us. And on the other hand, it invites us to remain in communion with God by doing His will and by following His precepts in our day-to-day life. In the gospel today, we are presented with a model for obeying God's commands, for doing God's will in the person of Anna or Hannah, a lady who was 84 years old. Keeping this model before our eyes and also recalling the precepts that are given to us by the church, let us focus on 4 points for our reflection.